Hello friends, uh, I am CA Aneet Kaur from batch 48. I thank the CA fraternity to launch the CA level 2 program for the benefit of CA members, and I have prepared for capstone project. I have prepared a use case vendor account reconciliation system. Basically the idea is to streamline the vendor reconciliation process. The document that I have prepared, this is a document that I have prepared. I have prepared a summary, executive summary, which states that it is an end-to-end Python-based vendor reconciliation system using AI assistance for the purpose. The problem statement say is that the companies have multiple and hundreds of vendors, and reconciling each vendor takes a lot of time. So there can be many errors while and the amounts won't match. So inconsistency would be there, and it is prone to errors, and delay in reconciliations will lead to a lot of financial implications. So here I have prepared a vendor reconciliation tool based on Python script, where my Python would read the Excel files that I'll upload here, which would be my vendor account and vendor account as per my books and vendor statement. It would have date, amounts, and document numbers for matching purposes. I'll run the reconciliation engine based on Python script, and it will report the output stating the differences, which can be exported in PDF format. And there can be one more development which can be made later, that autos sharing the reconciliation to vendor via email. This process I have yet to develop, but I have developed it till generation of report firstly. So the data, synthetic data I have prepared from using Claude AI, which would where the three input files have been created. One is Rashri vendor in the books of accounts, my books of accounts in ledgers, vendors books of account, and Rashri vendor master. Then there would be a reconciliation which would be showing the differences, which can be the amount mismatch, a vendor of the invoice, and there would be a payment differences, credit notes, and other details, and total showing the total reconciliation difference. So here there are 62 transactions input files, and it has generated the report, reconciliation report in this manner. I'll now show the technology used, which is Python 3.1, and then configurations, and then LLM for coding and synthetic data. Now this can be the future developments which I have planned to further develop, which is an interactive dashboard, then uh, fuzzy matching and audit trail log, and web interface using Streamlit. Now let me show you the actual file of execution. These are my input files which I have prepared using Claude AI. This is the synthetic data. Now my program would run on VS Code. Here I have opened the folder where it is 9. The file is the Python file is 9. Now this is the main file. I'll just run it. Now it is asking me the input files. I'll just copy and paste the path here. It is asking for the Rajshri vendor account, which is as per vendor. So I'll copy the vendor ledger here. This is the vendor account. I'll copy the path. I'll paste the path here. Now it is asking me our books ledger. So I'll just copy again our books ledger. I have copied the path and just paste it here. Now it is asking me vendor master file. I will again copy this path and I'll paste it here. Now if we see at present my reconciliation output folder is blank. So once I just run this, it has generated the file. It is asking me for email, which I am right now I'm saying no. So it has generated the output files. These are my output files generated. I'll just open and show you the PDF file. This is the reconciliation generated, which shows the vendor details period, and I have just generated right now. So it has reporting date. It has captured. Now it has captured the vendor account opening and closing, and the difference is here. So the reasons of differences in section A, B, C, and the total amount of differences are there. This way my program is working. Thank you so much.